Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the shop. Hey, real quick, when you have a small shop, you're always looking for ways to minimize the dust from sanding and cutting and all of that stuff. And there's tons of different dust control devices out there that you can build yourself, you can purchase. But I found something that I think works just as good and is so much easier to use and keep up with. And that's the RZ mask. I picked this up here off of Amazon, and I just want to show you real quick. It comes in different sizes from small to extra large. Comes with its own little bag, carrying bag, so you can keep it and carry it with you, don't lose it. It has an internal mask, and you can buy these extra. It comes with two. But if you need to purchase others, you can purchase these. I think they come in like groups of 6. They're relatively cheap. But it has the little nose piece on it. And the thing I really like about it is when you put it on, it doesn't go around your ears. It just Velcros in the back. Super simple. Quick, easy way to get it put on. Keeps the dust out of your lungs. Great item. Much cheaper than buying a $200 dust collection system. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, I'll put a link to this item down in the description. Until next time, stay safe and breathe clean air.